Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the audio output and input devices for any apps in Windows 11 running computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any video or audio files on your respective media player or any web browser. Say I have opened one video just to give you an example and I have paused it. So say I want to change the audio output and input devices for this respective application. So for this, what I need to do is just open the settings, and now on the left side just click on this system, and now on the right side we'll see here sound, just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here volume mixture, just click on it. Now here you will see here all the applications that are being running right now. So say I want to change the audio output and input devices for this particular application, so just click on it. Now you will see here at the bottom output devices, so just click on this down arrow icon. Now you will see all the available output devices for your respective Windows computer, so you can select it depending upon your needs. So say I want to select this, and for input devices similarly you can click on this default option. I will see here different options you will gonna get here. So by using this method, you can easily change the audio output and input devices for any apps in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.